In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Ford Taurus located at the base of the windshield. You're going to gently lift up on the wiper arm. Now I want to go ahead and disconnect this unit. On the back side right here and here are going to be little spring clips. You can push these in, and when you push these in, you're going to go ahead and push the wiper blade towards the passenger side. Now be careful when you release this. Don't let the arm snap down and hit the windshield. It is under spring tension, so hold that, slide the wiper off, and then gently set that down. Now we have our old wiper blade here, and we have the new wiper here. Now you're going to get multiple different types of connections to fit in multiple vehicles, but on our particular application, you can clearly see that these connections are different and they're not going to match up. So what we need to do is we need to swap out the one that is supplied on the wiper blade. So you're going to go ahead and grab this part in the back. You can see it's flexible. You're simply going to twist that up and pop it off. Here and here are little spring clips. And in the front here, or on one of these sections here, you're going to see two little arrows pointing each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to pinch these two tabs on the side, and we're going to take this and we're going to slide it away from the two arrows. That is going to, pinching these two tabs is going to unlock it. Then we're going to slide this back. And it unlocks it and releases that. You're going to take one of these parts here. You're going to have two of them in the package, one for the driver, one for the passenger side, a wiper blade. And there's a little arrow on the face of it right here. You want to go ahead and match it up to the arrow on the wiper itself. So you're going to drop that down inside and then push the two arrows together. You're going to feel and hear it engage and lock, and you won't be able to move that anymore. Then you're going to take this cap here. It has two little pinch tabs right here. And on the bottom, if you look close enough, you're going to see a horizontal little post right here, right in the center, right there. And that post is going to engage with this right here. So go ahead and line that up. Press it down. You're going to hear it engage, and it should pivot like so. I'm going to go ahead and install this on the vehicle now. Now I'm going to go ahead and lift up gently on our wiper arm. Remember, don't let that snap down. Bring this over, and you're going to slide the wiper arm inside underneath this cover. Like so, and pull it in. And you're going to feel that positive engagement locking in. Give it a little tug, and that's definitely secure. Now, you want to go ahead and don't forget to slide out the protective cover. Set that down. Dispose of the little blade cover here. And you want to repeat this process for the passenger side. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.